For my teeth, I got 3 things here. I think Whitney needs to give me a Tic Tac and Pet Smile. I use Pet Smile toothpaste. Gorgeous. And London Broil is my dog's favorite. There's like duck and chicken and all this. I also bought one of their toothbrushes just because it's another easier thing for me to hang on to. But you don't have to brush the dog's teeth. About once a week I go through and I hit everybody's teeth with this. It even keeps the yellow film off of their teeth. If there's any tartar after you've used it a couple of times on your part, if you're just now starting to use it, then you use it a couple of times, you're able to just slide that tartar right off. It starts to loosen it all up. So you just go through and you just put it on your teeth. You don't brush. Hey, Bax. And you just wipe it on. Show us your pretty teeth. And they like the taste of it. So there's not a lot of fight. We usually do a ribbon on each side. Come on, Baxter. Open sesame. Good job. Good job, Bax. Good job, Baxter. You're a good model. Yes, you are, sweetie. Okay. And obviously, being she's so young, I mean, her teeth are clean and doesn't need to be scaled, but I've got other ones I could get cut out who's 4 years old and there won't be a thing on her teeth just from using this stuff. You know, it's a really great product. I've used it for years. This is my scaler that I use when I have to. It's my favorite because it's got this little purple thing.
So where did you get this? Where did you get that?
This came from Whitman's. I've got you one upstairs. It's harder for me. I don't know. Maybe it's as your hands age. Not that I'm getting old, but it's just it's just easier for me to hang on to this than that slippery metal thing. So that's what I use.
Thank
Are
you.
you a good girl? Say see ya. Say see ya at the dog show. Okay. Thank you.